Welcome this video. Adapt build around a tree create a beautiful and functional outdoor space. Build natural elements with modern design. This type of construction of a unique opportunity to harmonize with natural while create an area of relax and reactive. This progress of design and build a full depth around a tree, innovation, careful plan, and reactive for the tree health and attacked to aesthetic and pro detail. Understanding a full design. A full tab also now as a fresh stand tab is not attached to a house or other structure. It's above the ground, tropical supported by a scene of connected food or built. This design maximize salt and provide fixable fountain for depth are protected and under even resort and work well in area where structure mean not be only when incorporating a tree, the full tab design much count of the tree health. This earth the depth not only complement the day but also allow in the growing benefit of build area a tree. Static appear. Provide natural shade, textile, and a focal point. Comfortable the depth into a scene. Retreat. The personal of a tree and can create a scene of select and connect the natural material in space more invite and covered.